Hey guys, it's Brind'Amour here, and on behalf of the Carolina Hurricanes family, we just want to express our deepest gratitude and appreciation to all the medical staff and professionals out there who are in the front lines right now, doing what they do to keep us safe. And can't thank you guys enough for all the courage that you show every day going to work. Shouldn't take a situation that we're all in right now to express that and show our appreciation for all you do. But it is in times like this that you certainly appreciate those of you who are doing what you do every day. Much appreciated. Keep the faith. Keep the courage. All the best.